Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best selfie stick is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who loves taking photos and videos. It allows you to capture stunning selfies and group shots with ease. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a social media influencer, or simply someone who enjoys documenting life's moments, this gadget is a must-have. Number 5. Insta360 Extended Selfie Stick. This selfie stick allows you to capture shots from unique angles. It extends up to 3 meters, giving you a whole new way to film your adventures. Get amazing aerial shots with ease. With a simple flick of your wrist, you can capture stunning footage from above. This is perfect for capturing immersive videos. This selfie stick is compatible with a wide range of Insta360 cameras. It works with X4, X3, 1RS, 1X2, 1R, 1X, and 1. It's easy to attach and use. The stick extends from 36 centimeters to 3 m. You can adjust the length to get the perfect shot. This gives you flexibility in different shooting situations. It features a standard 1/4-foot screw. This makes it easy to attach your camera. It's a secure and reliable way to mount your device. Please remember to use this product safely. Avoid using it while riding a motorcycle, bicycle, or driving a car. Always prioritize your safety. What we like? This selfie stick extends up to 3 meters, giving you incredible reach. It's designed specifically for Insta360 cameras, ensuring seamless compatibility. If you're looking to capture breathtaking aerial perspectives with your Insta360, this is the perfect choice. It will help you to get the stunning shots with ease. What people say. The selfie stick extends to a good length. The phone holder is secure and easy to use. The Bluetooth remote pairs quickly and works well. Number 4. TEELSIN G2106 Carbon Fiber Selfie Stick. This upgraded selfie stick is perfect for group photos and capturing full views. It's ideal for gatherings, trips, and sports activities. It makes sure you never miss a moment. The selfie stick extends to over 6 different lengths. The most commonly used lengths are available for quick adjustments. This gives you the flexibility to capture shots from various angles. Made with upgraded carbon fiber, it's more stable than previous versions. This reduces bending and waggle, allowing for invisible shooting effects. Keep the connection area within the coping area for best results. The bottom features a universal tripod mount. This allows you to connect it to a tripod stand for added stability. We recommend using a stronger tripod when extending the stick to longer lengths. The shortest length is only 40 centimeters, making it easy to store and carry. It fits easily in your backpack or luggage. This makes it perfect for travel and on-the-go adventures. It supports a variety of action cameras. The 360 degrees rotation helps capture every wonderful moment. It ensures you get the perfect shot every time. What we like? This selfie stick offers an ultra-long reach, perfect for group shots and capturing wide scenes. The carbon fiber construction provides stability and an invisible shooting effect. If you are planning a group trip or want to capture expansive views, this selfie stick is ideal. It will help you to get the perfect shot. What people say. It locks the stick so it doesn't collapse when you hit bumps on the road. This selfie sticker is very handy when you're looking to take pictures from a high vantage point. The bottom unscrews so you can rinse it out. Number 3. DOCA Camera Pole, 12-foot extension for GoPro. This camera pole extends up to 12 feet, letting you capture shots you never thought possible. It's perfect for aerial photography and videography, giving you a unique perspective. With this pole, you can easily record high-up objects or get a bird's-eye view. It's the ultimate tool for capturing stunning photos and videos from any angle. The pole works with a variety of cameras and accessories. You can attach your camera, video camera, or even your smartphone with ease. It uses a standard 1/4 to 20 thread tripod socket. The premium aluminum adapter ensures your camera stays securely fastened. The set screw tightens the adapter to the pole, preventing any accidental unfastening. It's made in the USA. This lightweight pole extends from 5 to 12 feet and is easy to handle. It features thumb lever clasps for easy extension and retraction. When not in use, it stores compactly at just 5 feet. This is ideal for home inspections, real estate photography, and recording events. Use it to inspect hard-to-reach areas or capture unique perspectives in various situations. What we like. This camera pole extends up to an impressive 18 feet, ideal for aerial photography and videography. It features a robust aluminum adapter for secure camera mounting. If you need to capture shots from high angles or inspect hard-to-reach areas, this pole is your solution. It will help you to get the shots you need. What people say. Pole very well made and sturdy. Levers well made, pole sections slide smoothly, nice quality overall. The strength and durability of this pole are far beyond what I initially anticipated. It feels rock solid, even in demanding conditions. Number 2. TELESIN Carbon Fiber Selfie Stick for GoPro. Tired of limited reach? This selfie stick extends to any length you need, from compact to a full 120 centimeters. You can easily adjust it to get the perfect shot. Weighing only 5.1 ounces, it's incredibly portable. Easily fits in your pocket or backpack, making it ideal for any adventure, whether surfing or snowboarding. Made from carbon fiber, this selfie stick is both strong and waterproof. It's lighter than your phone and ready for any condition, from rain to the ocean. Need a stable shot? The bottom has a standard tripod screw. You can easily attach it to a tripod for hands-free filming. Tripod not included. This selfie stick works with a wide range of devices. It includes adapters for GoPro, Insta360, and phones. It's the only stick you'll need for all your gear. What we like. This selfie stick is extendable to any length, offering flexibility for various shooting scenarios. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. If you're a traveler or adventure enthusiast, this waterproof carbon fiber selfie stick is a must-have. It will help you to capture every moment. What people say. The extension locks easily and securely every time. Weighs nothing and has a 1/4 to 20 female screw base on the bottom to add a wrist strap. Works really well and retracts easily. Number 1. Insta360 Power Selfie Stick. This power selfie stick is designed to enhance your Insta360 camera experience. It extends your reach, allowing you to capture shots from unique perspectives. With remote camera control, taking third-person shots becomes effortless. It gives you greater flexibility and control over your shots. The high-performance built-in battery extends your camera's power. This ensures you can keep shooting for longer periods without worrying about battery life. This accessory is compatible with a wide range of Insta360 cameras, including X4, Go 3S, Ace Pro, Ace, Go 3, X3, One RS 1-inch 360 edition, One RS, 4K Twin, One X2 and One R. Remember to keep the selfie stick away from liquids. Also, if you are using it with Ace Pro and Ace, you'll need to purchase the quick release mount separately. The package includes the power selfie stick itself and a Type-C to Type-C cable. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. This power selfie stick offers remote camera control for easier third-person shots. It also features a built-in battery to boost your camera's power. If you want to extend your camera's battery life and control it remotely, this is the perfect accessory. It will help you to get the best shots. What people say. Must have for the 360X4, tape the wire to the stick to keep it handy when needed for the extra power. Can use as a selfie stick with operating buttons on the stick itself, very handy, and set the camera to voice, so you can hear what mode it's in and start-stop has occurred without looking at the thing every time. This thing does everything it is supposed to do and does it well. It is very sturdy and well made. It works perfectly with my camera. I bought this to be able to take snapshots from a selfie stick without having to shout at the camera or use a remote. It works very well. As a bonus, I discovered I was able to charge the camera and stick at the same time, negating the need for 2 USB cables. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.